Good afternoon. It is the 23rd of March and it's been months since we put up a video because, to be honest, I haven't done anything. It's been snowing or cold or just generally winter. So we actually booked a little trip to where we're going today when that Snowmageddon came, so we had to postpone that. But we are going today. Myself and Hattie are going to Love to Stay in Shrewsbury. Unfortunately, Hattie's broken her finger, so we can't do biking and sporty stuff, but we're just going to go for a couple of nights and see what's there and just chill out. They've broken up for school now, so Easter holidays are upon us, and we're just going to go and have a bit of fun and find out what's gone wrong over the winter on the camper, because I'm sure it's like starting again. So first thing I'm going to do is give it a quick wash, because it's been sat still. It did start first time, been sat for months, and so I'm going to give it a quick wash and before we go, because can't be seen in a dirty camper, can you?
Hey guys, so we're on the road now. You've got Razzy. He's just about settled down and he's not meowing so much now. Daddy's on the drive, and we've literally just been in the biggest traffic jam in the history of the universe.
Okay, we've just arrived at the Love to Stay camping park. It's all very modern and swish and contemporary and a bit centre parksy, I would say. Taking some ideas from there. Anyway, we're pitch number 11. So we're going to go up there and set up. A little postcode with WY11, and
These pictures are massive.
The pictures are amazing. They're fully serviced, so they've got their own drains and water as well as electric. And they've even got a toilet emptying if you're on green chemicals, but which we're not. Wow, this is a fully serviced pitch. Look at that. So I've got water, much as I want to myself. And I've got a drain, so I've got an extension hose to my drain thing, so I can just leave that running and it'll empty all the time. And our electric, and look, Rich, I've been a good boy and I've unwound my cable thingy, so I don't want to catch fire. So there's a few in. It is lovely. These pictures are spot on, aren't they? This is the future, isn't it, of caravan parks. They've just gone at it as it should be from the start, rather than having to upgrade everything. But these are the poshest loos I've ever been in, full stop. Just going for a little walk round. Oh, here's hot tubs, nobody's in them. Are they not working then? I think it's shut, isn't it? Children under 14 must be accompanied by an adult. Doesn't say you can't go in them. So that's all right then. And this is the pool where it's natural thing, but it's not heated. So it'd be blooming freezing, I would imagine. This is the adventure playground. And let's be honest, you're never too old to have a go on one of these. So if Hattie thinks she's too old, how do you think I feel? Well, I'm going on. We have just booked Oh, by the way, we're in the main pizza thing. We're having pizza in a minute. We've just booked some activities, so we're doing at 11 AM. We're not doing kayaking. We're doing tie-dye t-shirt at 11 AM, and we're doing Campfire cookery at 1:30, and then we're going to make a toolbox at 4:30. So this is good. Hattie's tucking in. Fingers not getting in the way. These are amazing. Bon appetit. While we were eating our pizza, a little bit of Twitter activity, and a certain caravanning blogger tells me that another caravanning blogger is here at the same time, namely a Mr. Andrew Ditton. So we're going to have a little walk round. I'm not going to just bang on his door, tempting, but if we can say hi, that'd be great. And we'd like to meet Dougal, of course. Anyway, we found Mr. Ditton, but I don't think he's at home, but it's all in darkness, so we didn't knock. I don't want to be rude, but hopefully he might catch up perhaps tomorrow if he's still here. So where's me cat? Probably be. I think he's chosen up there is his bedroom, which is Hattie's little domain, so they're going to have to fight it out later.
Mine. I'm taller than him, so
Oh, sorry mate. Hello lad. How are we doing? Alright, so we wake you up. Right, Razzy's desperate to have a little look outside, so we're going to let him out. A little harness on and a long piece of string. Come on then, you wanted to come out. Come on. All a bit new, isn't it? Come on then, come and have a look. Suppose he wants to go under the camper. I suppose it's safe there. I don't want him under the camper. Come on. Yay. Come on then, on the grass. This is a lovely sight, I have to say. These pictures are immaculate. What's also noticeable is the sort of age and newness of all the inhabitants. They're all really nice campers and caravans, and I guess they just sort of pushed it up market, haven't they? But when these trees mature, and it'll be brilliant. And we're up and about, and we're just going for our breakfast now. We've got these breakfast vouchers that says cooking. Didn't even bring the kayak thing. So yeah, we're a little walk to Salop Leisure. So probably it's probably like timeshare, isn't it? They get us in there, and we'll come out owning a new caravan or something. And we sussed out they got this brilliant sort of assault course thing up here. Hattie desperately wants to have a go at, but of course got a broken finger. But we'll rebook and then get straight on that next time. And yeah, we're gonna have a little bit of a walk around the rest of it. There's a woodland walk, a bee garden, trim trail, loads of stuff. Really good, really well thought out, and everything is spotless and to a high standard. Just tucking into our super English brekkie. I'm not sure there's much on there to do with Slimming World. The eggs are okay, that's alright. Forget you saw the rest. Unfortunately I forgot my trainers today, otherwise I'll be up there like a shot. And Hattie's obviously got a broken finger, so somebody's got to stay with her. But other than that, up for it, no problem. See, there's a slightly aged balding fella at the back there. So it's all possible. Somebody wants to go on it. Look at these little, I don't know whether you could just help yourself to them or book them or something, but got these little outdoor barbecue buildings. That's what I want at home. So you've got your barbecue there, and then obviously you've got your kitchen area. It's all very rustic. You've got a sink and hot water, and a roof. Right, and there's like a little seating area. I see that's for a fire pit down there. I'm not sure about the non-heated pool bit though. You have to be quite hardy to go in there. Hattie is doing tie-dyeing a shirt thing. Come on then, I'll film you. Oh.
Squish it in.
You're going to have dyed hands.
Oh, I'm not. You're doing the rest.
Oh, you can't. We've got injured finger.
Why am I?
Suddenly you're playing the I hurt my finger card. Well, we've just met the infamous Andrew Ditton. Shook hands, had a little chat. Very nice man. Lovely to meet him. So nice to meet Andrew. Thank you for popping by. We didn't film it because, you know, personal. Anyway, we're just having a cup of tea. We're ready to go down to Campfire Cookery, which we're doing shortly. And let's have a little bit of a chuckle because it's divorce in a bag over here. And it looks exactly that. Not a lot of words were spoken, and glares and stuff. I love it. Razzy's been out and he's been a little bit brave, but he does go underneath the van, which sort of worries me because I can't always sort of get to him. But he's gone back in. He's now messing about. Hello, you coming out again or what? And we're off to Campfire Cookery. No idea what we're going to be doing. Marshmallows probably or something.
That's it.
Okay.
You ready?
You're
Right.
free to go.
Let's go then.
You've got to give it a full beans, haven't you?
Oh.
Can you eat me?
I have 6 weeks old, so
Oh,
I've
wow.
not been to the gym in bloody ages. Got orange brownie today.
And eat marshmallows.
Sugar rush.
There's my shitty violet that went out. This is a proper one with chocolate brownie puddings. Oh. Here's the result. Oh my, look at that. Looks like a real edible thing.
It
Just
is.
about. Off with a slightly burnt orange skin, but we'll let that go. We've done Campsite Cookery, which is absolutely brilliant fun. We had a really nice guy called Ryan, who's an ex-forces retained firefighter and a really nice guy, and we had chocolate orange brownies which we made and cooked on the fire, lit the fire, and and marshmallows. It was really good. We're in the toolbox making activity. I think Hattie's lucked out a little bit. We had that activities, we were the only ones doing it earlier, but the opposite has happened. Hattie's making a toolbox with a lot of little kids. Tea, we're having Italian night. Homemade pizzas made by the famous Hattie Jackson.
That is mine.
And sour balls from Audi. Not Audi, Aldi. Is that at night? It's Shepherd's Delight, isn't it? So that means we'll get a good day tomorrow. Hattie's watching Wolf Blood this morning, catching up on the whole 4th series, and I'm having a bit of brekkie. So we have some grilled bacon, poached egg here. I'm just burning the rolls. Sunday morning, we've had the clock change, so we've lost an hour, but we've gained a lovely day. Sunshine, clear skies. Oh, I've been waiting for that. So we're just going to treat you to a little little thing. They've got a gadget machine that empties the toilet cassette. I've heard about them, but I've never actually seen one. So we're going to go and have a go.
So this is at the machine here. It's £4, and it's just like really cool.
Okay, right. Money first. One.
Oh, but didn't go in.
Oh, is it broke? After all that, nothing happening. Oh, how disappointing. After all, we waited all weekend to have a go with that.
Never mind. So while Dad's doing that, they've actually got a dog wash place. So you've got the dog wash thing, I have no idea. I don't know what's in there, but okay. Guessing that's the dryer. No idea what pet hand dryer. Whatever. Got a tap to wash your hands. This works as the showery thing. Oh my gosh, it's so bright today. Go back in. There you go. And they've got a little ramp to see. Little ramp. Hello people out there. Little people. And then my dad's back here. Doing the disgusting part. So we'll just leave that part and then we'll show you around a bit. So those are some RV vans. That is a staff only place. This is a I don't really know. Very disappointing.
Even the toilet emptying facility is better than most gyms.
Yeah, so anyway, nice sunny day today. So yeah, we'll start heading back. So
Back? Get in the garden, I think.
hopefully do the trampoline. If I can anyway.
See if we can't break something else. Well guys, Sunday, nearly midday, 20 past 11. It's a beautiful day. Spring has sprung here. I think there's some horrible weather to come, but today's lovely. So we're going to go home and enjoy that. We've had a brilliant time here at the Love to Stay. We had a little mooch round Salop Leisure shop. Haven't bought anything, so I've been quite good. Watched a bit of fudge. And yeah, it's been a cracking time, isn't it? It's been good fun. We're definitely coming again. Lovely to meet Andrew. Never met Andrew before, and he is as nice for real as he is on the telly, if that makes any sense. So yeah, we're going to go back now, and we'll see you on the next little excursion. Many
5
thanks.
stars out of 5.
Yeah, we'll book it again. We'll get back and we'll get online, look at the diaries and book again. Ta-da!